Good morning. Good morning, students. How are you? Fine. Thank you. Yesterday I started in solutions constitution terms normality. So normality definition completed. Problems today we will start. In normality definition, what meant the normality? Normality can be defined as the number of gram equivalents of solute present in 1 liter of the solution is known as normality. Units of normality, equivalents, liter inverse. Depends on temperature. Symbol capital N, normality. This concept completed. So normality concept before we want equivalent weight. What is meant by equivalent weight? Definition also yesterday explained. So equivalent weight of acids is different, bases is different, salts are different, and oxidizing agents, reducing agents also different. Yesterday given equivalent weight of acid equal to molecular weight of acid by basicity. Equivalent weight of bases equal to molecular weight by acidity. For acids, basicity. For bases, acidity. What is meant by basicity? The number of replaceable hydrogen atom present in one molecule of an acid is known as basicity. For example, HCl, hydrochloric acid, only one hydrogen atom is there. So HCl basicity 1. H2SO4, sulfuric acid, here basicity 2 because 2 hydrogen atom is there. Basicity 2. And HNO3, nitric acid, basicity 1. So one point explained separately. In oxyacids, basicity means hydrogen atom attached to central atom through oxygen atom, that is considered as a basicity. So yesterday given phosphoric acid, phosphorus acid, like that. Anyway, sulfuric acid also oxyacid, it contains 2 OH groups. That means in oxyacids, hydrogen atom attached to central atom through oxygen, that is considered as a basicity. Next, bases. Bases acidity means the number of hydroxyl group. Hydroxyl group means OH group. The number of hydroxyl group present in one molecule of base is known as acidity. So these are equivalent weight of acid, equivalent weight of base. And another one is equivalent weight of salt. Equivalent weight of salt equal to formula weight of salt by total charge of cation or anion. That also completed. For example, sodium chloride. Equivalent of sodium chloride equal to NaCl. Molecular formula weight how much? 58.5. 58.5 by 1. That is the answer of 58.5, like that. So these are our equivalent weight of salt. Now today I will discuss with very important equivalent weight of oxidizing agent. Equivalent weight of oxidizing agent, very important. Equivalent weight of oxidizing agent. So oxidizing agent another name is oxidant. Oxidizing agent another name is oxidant. Oxidizing agent means it undergoes reduction. Already here stoichiometry concept. Generally, losing of electron, oxidation, gaining of electron, reduction. Any compound or element it undergoes oxidation means reducing agent. Reduction means oxidizing agent. Anyway, oxidizing agent means it undergoes reduction. That means oxidizing agent undergoes reduction. Reduction means gaining of electrons, losing of electron, gaining of electrons, G-I-N-I-N-G, gaining of electrons. Best example, equivalent weight of oxidizing agent. So simply, equivalent weight of oxidizing agent. Equivalent weight of oxidizing agent. EQWT means equivalent weight of oxidizing agent equal to formula weight of oxidant. Oxidizing agent, another name is oxidant, by electrons gained by oxidant, or decrease in oxidation state. Decrease in oxidation state of oxidant. So that is a formula. Equivalent weight of oxidizing agent. How can we calculate equivalent weight of oxidizing agent? Formula weight of oxidant by electrons gained by oxidant. Oxidant is nothing but oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent, another name is oxidant, or generally electrons gained means oxidation state decreases. So decrease in oxidation state of oxidant. Okay, so these are equivalent weight of oxidizing agent. Best example. So oxidizing agent, best example of oxidizing agent, we know potassium permanganate is in acidic medium and basic medium, neutral medium also strong oxidizing agent. In first is stoichiometric concept. Potassium permanganate is a strong oxidizing agent. Strong oxidizing agent means it undergoes reduction. Now I will give oxidizing agent best example KMnO4. So example. So equivalent weight of oxidizing agent equal to formula weight of oxidant by electrons gained by oxidant, or decrease in oxidation state of oxidant. So best example 1. Potassium permanganate KMnO4. Potassium permanganate, strong oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent means it undergoes reduction. So now I will give equivalent weight of KMnO4 in acid medium, in alkaline medium and neutral medium. Alkaline is nothing but a strong basic medium. First to calculation. Equivalent weight of KMnO4 in acid medium. Formula. That means we know equivalent weight of oxidizing agent equal to formula molecular weight by number of electrons are gained. How many electrons are gained means these are molecular weight 158 by 5 electrons are gained. That means 31.6. Why 5K means I will give first stoichiometry formula KMnO4 MnO4 minus 8H plus and 5 electron gives rise to MnO4 minus 8H plus 5 electron gives rise to Mn2 plus and 4H2O. Here how many electrons are gained? Is there in first stoichiometry equation balancing. Okay. Here how many electrons are gained? 5 electrons are gained. That means 5 electrons are gained means I given 5 value here. So anyway, equivalent weight of any oxidizing agent equal to formula weight of oxidizing agent or oxidant by number of electrons are gained. Number of electrons are gained means it undergoes reduction. Oxidizing agent undergoes reduction, reducing agent undergoes oxidation. So these are equivalent weight of KMnO4 in acid medium. And the second one is very important. Next to equivalent weight of KMnO4 in strong alkaline medium, strong alkaline medium, strong alkaline medium, alkaline is nothing but a basic medium, strong alkaline. That means how much value? 158 by 1, that means 158. How these are possible? That means MnO4 minus permanganate ion, 1 electrons are gained, gives rise to MnO4 2 minus, MnO4 2 minus. MnO4 minus means permanganate ion, MnO4 2 minus means so manganate ion. Now I will write permanganate ion, permanganate. These are permanganate ion, these are manganate ion, these are manganate ion, so these are ion. Okay, anyway, here how many electrons are gained? 1 electron gained. So that is a equivalent weight of KMnO4 in strong alkaline medium or strong basic medium. Alkaline or basic both are equal. Anyway, equivalent weight of KMnO4 in strong alkaline medium 158 by 1. Don't forget, these are very important. So, equivalent weight of KMnO4 in acid medium 158 by 5. How 5 value came? Like that, this equation. Okay, here 1. So, these are equation. Anyway, so these are equivalent weight of KMnO4 in acid medium, and another one is a strong alkaline medium. And another one is acid medium completed, alkaline medium completed. Next, another one is dilute alkaline medium. Dilute is nothing but a neutral. Dilute is nothing but a neutral. Next, I will give third case. Third case, equivalent weight of KMnO4. Equivalent weight of KMnO4. Equivalent weight of KMnO4 in dilute alkaline medium. Dilute alkaline medium or neutral medium. Neutral medium formula that equal to 158 by 3, that means 5. 52.6. 52.6. How 3 value came? That means an equation MnO4 minus permanganate ion plus 2H2O plus 3 electron gives rise to MnO2 manganese dioxide plus 4OH minus. These are all are balanced. All are balanced. Anyway, how many electrons are gained? 3 electrons are gained. MnO4 minus means so manganate ion. So these are one of the formula. So these values also I will change. Anyone correct? Suppose already given, I told equivalent weight of any oxidizing agent equal to molecular weight by number of electrons are gained or decrease in oxidation number. Suppose here oxidation state manganese how much? Suppose X. Simply X minus 8 equal to minus 1. X equal to plus 7. Here how much? Plus 7. Here how much? Manganese we don't know X. X minus 4 equal to 0. X equal to plus 4. Okay, X equal to plus 4. Plus 7 plus 4 differentiation. Plus 7 plus 4 differentiation 3. Like that. It is also correct. Anyway, so these are equivalent weight of oxidizing agent. Potassium permanganate is a strong oxidizing agent in acid medium, alkaline medium and neutral medium. So equivalent weight of KMnO4 in acid medium 158 by 5. How 5 came are given. Next, equivalent weight of KMnO4 in strong alkaline medium 158 by 1. Last, equivalent weight of KMnO4 in dilute alkaline medium or neutral medium 158 by 3. So these are different types of formulas. Okay. Equivalent weight of oxidizing agent completed. Example 1 completed. KMnO4. Example 2. Example 2. Example 2. K2Cr2O7 potassium dichromate. potassium dichromate. Potassium dichromate. It is also strong oxidizing agent. It is also strong oxidizing agent. It is also strong oxidizing agent in acid medium. Equivalent weight of K2Cr2O7 equal to their molecular weight. These are molecular weight 294 by 6, that means 49. Other K means related equation. First is stoichiometry. Cr2O7 2 minus for 14H plus 6 electron gives rise to 2Cr3 plus 7H2O. Here how many electrons are gained? 5 electrons are gained. That is one other example. I will say another concept, another model. Here chromium, oxygen state. 2x minus 14 equal to minus 2. 2x equal to 12. X equal to plus 6. X equal to plus 6. Here chromium how much? Chromium plus 3. Okay. Here plus 6 plus 3 differentiation 3. 1 chromium 3. 2 chromium atoms 6. Like that. 1 chromium plus 3. 2 chromium atoms how much? 2 chromium atoms plus 6. That means it is also considered. Anyway, so this is equivalent weight of potassium dichromate. Anyway, don't forget remembering this value 6. Anyway, equivalent weight of potassium dichromate equal to formula weight by number of electrons gained by oxidant. That means how many electrons are gained? 6 by the following equation. Anyway, so these are equivalent weight of oxidizing agents. Oxidizing agents means it undergoes reduction. And another one is, last one is equivalent weight of reducing agent. So last one is equivalent weight of reducing agent. Okay, write down. K2Cr potassium dichromate. It is a strong oxidizing agent. Equivalent weight of reducing agent. Reducing agent, another name is reductant. Reductant means it undergoes oxidation. Example. So best example. So generally example before equivalent weight of. So, equivalent weight of reducing agent. Equivalent weight of reducing agent equal to formula weight by electrons, number of electrons lost, or increase in oxidation state. Equivalent weight of reducing agent equal to formula weight by number of electrons lost or increase in oxidation number. Reducing agent means it undergoes oxidation. Oxidation means oxidation state increases. Reduction means oxidation state decreases. Anyway, best example 1. So example 1 is ferrous oxalate, FeC2O4. Ferrous oxalate in acid medium. Ferrous oxalate and it converts to like that. Ferrous ion converts. Ferrous means Fe2 plus, Fe3 plus, ferric ion. These are ferrous, ferric. So these are ferrous, these are ferric. Here how many electrons? Fe 3 plus 1 electron. Okay. And another oxalate ion. Oxalate means C2O4 2 minus oxalate ion. Oxalate ion, ferrous. This undergoes, you are losing of electrons, 2 electrons. Anyway, total how many electrons? 1 electron, 2 electron. How many electrons are losing? 3 electrons are losing. Ferrous oxalate, it undergoes oxidation. Ferrous converted into ferric. Ferrous converted into ferric. Ferrous to ferric, how many electrons difference? Only 1 electron. Oxalate ion losing the electron, it converted to CO2 gas. Oxalate ion losing 2 electrons, it produces CO2 gas. Here 1 electron, here 2 electron. Total how many electrons? So 3 electrons are involved. 3 electrons are involved means 3 electrons are losing. That means, so equivalent weight of reducing agent formula, example ferrous oxalate. So these are in ferrous oxalate. Ferrous oxalate is a reducing agent. In this process, in oxidation process, how many electrons are losing? 3 electrons are losing. That means I will give formula. Equivalent weight of ferrous oxalate FeC2O4. Ferrous oxalate equal to molecular weight. These are molecular weight 144. 144 by 3, that means 48. 48. So equivalent weight of ferrous oxalate. Example 1. And another one is last one. Equivalent weight of Morse salt. Equivalent weight of Morse salt. Morse salt formula last time I given ferrous ammonium sulfate. Morse salt means ferrous ammonium sulfate. Say molecular weight 392 by 1. That means 392. How these are came? 1 electron means Morse salt formula. Morse salt formula ferrous ammonium sulfate. Ferrous ammonium sulfate. Ferrous ammonium sulfate. Ferrous ammonium sulfate formula FeSO4 NH4 twice SO4 6H2O. These are molecular weight is 392. In acid medium, ferrous converted to ferrous ions oxidized. Ferrous ions oxidized to ferric ion. Ferric means Fe3 plus ions. Ferric ions. That means in Morse salt, generally in acid medium, Morse salt. Morse salt means ferrous ammonium sulfate. In ferrous ammonium sulfate, ferrous ions oxidized to ferric ion. Ferrous converted to ferric means how many electrons are involved? Only 1 electron. Losing of 1 electron. That means 392 by 1. That means 392. Anyway, ferrous oxalate and Morse salt, these two are example of reducing agent. Reducing agent means it undergoes oxidation. So these are all different types of equivalent weights of acids, bases, salts and oxidizing agents and reducing agents. So these are equivalent weights of different compounds. Once again briefly, equivalent weight of acid equal to molecular weight of acid by basicity. First one completed. Second one is equivalent weight of bases equal to molecular weight of base by acidity. That is the second one also completed. Third one is equivalent weight of salt equal to molecular weight by total charge of cation or anion. Third one. And the fourth one is equivalent weight of oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent is nothing but oxidant. Oxidizing agent undergoes reduction. Equivalent weight of oxidizing agent equal to molecular weight by number of electrons gained. Number of electrons gained by an oxidant. Last one is equivalent weight of reducing agent. Reducing agent means it undergoes Reducing agent means it undergoes oxidation. Oxidizing agent means it undergoes reduction. Equivalent weight of reducing agent equal to molecular weight by or formula weight by number of electrons lost or increase in oxidation state. So these are all so in normality equivalent weights. Okay. Students writing notes. Okay. Don't forget, these are all are very important, useful formulas. Next, some useful relations. Some useful relations. Next, first, number of equivalents. Number of equivalents of solute. Number of equivalents of solute or gram equivalents. Number of equivalents of solute equal to normality into volume in liters. N means normality. Normality into volume in liters. Second, number of milli equivalents. Number of milli equivalents of solute equal to normality into volume in ml. In ml. Okay. So these are number of equivalents. Number of equivalents of solute equal to normality into volume. Compulsory volume. Normality into volume. Compulsory volume in liters. Okay. Here number of milli equivalents equal to normality into volume. Volume in ml. ml means milliliters. So these are useful relations. Okay. Next another one is another same another formula. Number of milli equivalents same. Number of milli equivalents of number of milli equivalents equal to weight by gram equivalent weight into 1000. It is also correct. Number of milli equivalents. Number of milli equivalents of solute equal to weight by gram equivalent weight into 1000. Okay, it is also both are same, but sometimes we can use this formula. Okay, they will give weight gram equivalent weight. You know how can I calculate number of milli equivalent weight? Sometimes they will give normality volume. How can I calculate milli equivalents like that? So these are one of the some useful relations. And next one is fourth one is normality of mixture of two solutions of normality of mixture of two solutions of normality of mixture of two solutions of same solutes are mixed. Normality of mixture of two solutions of same solutes are mixed. Then normality can be calculated by n equal to V1 N1 plus V2 N2 by N1 V1 V1 N1 plus V2 N2 by V1 plus V2. When they are normality of mixture of two solutions. Normality of mixture of two solutions of same solutes are mixed. Then normality normality can be calculated by n equal to v1 n1 plus v2 n2 by v1 plus v2. So these are one of the formula. These are a fourth relation. Next, okay, v1 n1 initial first solution volume, first solution normality, second solution volume, second solution normality. v1 plus v2 means total volume. Okay, so these are our fourth relation. Next, fifth relation. When VA means when VA means volume of strong acid, of normality Na is mixed with VB, volume of strong base of normality NB. Then first case, when VA volume of strong acid of normality Na, normality Na means like Na, normality of acid is mixed with VB volume of strong base of normality NB. Then first case, if NaVA equal to NbVb, their acid strength, these are base strength. If NaVA means acid normality, acid volume, base normality, base volume. If NaVA equal to NbVb, the solution is neutral. Neutral means pH equal to 7. That is a first case. And the second case, if NaVA is greater than to NbVb. Here NaVA means acid normality, acid volume, base normality, base volume. Acid strength is greater than to base strength. Then the solution is acid mole. The solution is acidic in nature. Acidic in nature means pH is less than to 7. So normality with respect to H plus, because acid means H plus, base means OH means. Here normality is nothing but concentration. Normality with respect to H plus equal to VA-NA minus VB-NB by VA plus VB. That is one of the formula, very important. When these are case, if Na acid strength is greater than to base strength, the solution is acidic in nature. Acidic nature means pH value less than 7. We know. How can calculate normality? Normality is nothing but concentration. We know molarity like that. Normality with respect to H plus concentration. H plus means hydrogen ion concentration. Acidic property. The solution acidic property means H plus. VA-NA minus VB-NB by VA plus VB. That is in the second case. Here second case. Okay, these are case 1. Here case 1. Here case 2. And the last one is case 3. Case 3 means Say if NBVB is greater than to NAVA, NAVA. Okay, these are base, these are acid. Which one is more? Base strength more. Base strength more means the solution nature, basic nature. That means the solution is basic in nature. Basic in nature. Basic in nature means pH is greater than to 7. pH is greater than to 7. That means normality with respect to not H plus OH minus equal to VBNB minus VANA by VA plus VB. That is another formula. These are another formula. So these are different types of useful relations. Different types of useful relations not completed and remaining 1, 2, 3. These are 4 cases completed. Next another one is okay. So if mixing of strong acid and strong base, if mixing of strong acid and strong base, acid strength or base strength both are equal, the solution is neutral. Neutral means pH equal to 7. Next, second case, acid strength is greater than to base strength, the solution is acidic nature. Acidic nature means pH less than to 7. So normality with respect to H plus concentration. These are solution acidic nature means these are formula. VA minus VB NB by VA plus VB. Next, if the solution NBVB, so base strength is greater than the acidic strength, acid strength. These are base strength, these are acid strength. NBVB is greater than the NAVA. The solution is basic in nature. Basic means pH value greater than 7. Normality with respect to OH minus VB NB minus VA NA by VA plus VB. So these are some useful relations not completed remaining. Next 1, 2, 3, 4 completed. Next for exact neutralization of acid with base. These are formula. For exact neutralization of acid with base, number of GEW means gram equivalent weights. Number of gram equivalents of acid equal to number of gram equivalent weight of base. That is a formula. For exact neutralization of neutralization means acid react with base to form salt and water. For exact neutralization of acid and base, number of gram equivalent weight of acid equal to number of gram equivalent weight of base. These are formulas very important. One problem, one formula. We know all formulas, we solve the problems very easy. Without formulas, won't get answer problems. Okay. Number of gram equivalent weight of acid equal to number of gram equivalent weight of base. How can calculate gram equivalent weight? Weight by equivalent weight of gram equivalent. Next means, that means simply weight of acid by equivalent weight of acid equal to weight of base by equivalent weight of base. Here W means weight of acid. EWA equivalent weight of acid. Like that. WB also weight of base. WB means weight of base. EWB means equivalent weight of base. Equivalent weight can be expressed in grams, so gram equivalent weight. Okay, and another this formula, and another WAY, EWA equal to NBVB in ml by 1000 is one relation, or another WB by EWB, weight of base by equivalent weight of base equal to NaVA in ml by 1000. These are different. Sometimes they will give weight of acid to equivalent weight of, they will give VB. How can calculate normality of base? They will give, some cases, they will give weight of base. Equivalent weight of base we know. Weight of acid they will give. How can calculate acid normality? Acid normality, these are different formulas. Anyway, neutralization. So these are acid and base. So these are different types of relations. Okay, ma? So these are normality, some useful relations. And another one is all are different types. Okay, so remembering these are all. Okay, my suggestion, compulsory write down all points, all formulas in notes. Separately you keep one book, long book. Okay, very important. Next, another relation. Relation between normality and molarity. Relation between normality and molarity. Relation between normality and molarity. Normality into gram equivalent weights, GW. Normality into gram equivalent weight equal to molarity into gram molecular weight. GMW means gram molecular weight. GW means gram equivalent weight. So these are one of the formula. Okay, and another one is second. Normality equal to molarity into basicity. Basicity. Normality into molarity into basicity. These are only for acids. Next, another. Normality equal to molarity into acidity. Acidity for bases. Next, fourth one is normality equal to molarity into N. Here N means N equal to valency factor. Valency factor means, for example, here NaCl is there. Here in example NaCl. In NaCl, N equal to 1. Example 2. In MgCl2, N value how much? 2, like that. So these are valency factor. Okay, valency factor means charge of cation or anion. Okay, these are different types of normality molarity relations. Normality molarity relationship. Okay, next another one is last. So relation between normality and molarity. Normality into gram equivalent weight equal to molarity into gram molecular weight. And normality equal to molarity into basicity for acids. Normality equal to molarity into acidity for bases. For acids, basicity, bases, acidity. Normality equal to molarity into N. N means valency factor. That means in NaCl 1, MgCl 2, and another example also like that. Another example in aluminum chloride. In aluminum chloride, N value 3, like that. So these are valency factor. So these are relation between normality and molarity. Next. Next, if weight by volume percent we know, if W weight volume percent given, normality equal to 10 into normality equal to 10 into weight by volume percentage by gram equivalent weight. 10 into weight volume percentage by gram equivalent weight. Next, if density or specific gravity and weight percentage given, normality equal to 10 into density into weight percent by gram equivalent weight. So these are relations. Okay, normality, sometimes they will give weight volume percent. How can you calculate normality? Okay, so these are different types of useful relations of our normality. So that is a normality concept. These are very, very important. Molarity and normality, very, very important and very, very important and easy. Okay, I will give one problem. Remaining problems also tomorrow I will say. Okay, tomorrow I will give you some different model problems. Okay, now I will give one or two problems. Listen. Calculate the normality of H2SO4 solution containing H2SO4 solution containing 4.9 grams per liter of the solution. Here normality we know. Normality equal to normality equal to weight by gram equivalent weight into 1 by volume in liters. These are formula. Weight given how much? 4.9. Gram equivalent weight. Equivalent weight can be expressed in grams. That is a gram equivalent weight or equivalent weight. So gram equivalent weight of H2SO4, gram equivalent weight of H2SO4 equal to 98 by 2. These are how much? 49. That means 49 into 1 by 1. So they are 1 cancel. These are 10 times. That means 1 by 10. That means 0.1 n. N means normality. N means normality. That is one of the problem. Another problem. Okay. Anyway, calculate the normality of H2SO solution containing 4.9 grams. 4.9 grams per liter of the solution. Come on. Another problem. Calculate the normality of %, W NaOH solution. Here simple normality equal to formula weight by gram equivalent weight into 1000 by volume in ml or 1 by volume in liters. Anyone correct? Here 4% W by V solution means 4 grams of solute 100 ml of the solution. That means 4% W by V means 4 grams solute 100 ml solution. That means substitute value 4 by gram equivalent weight of NaOH. Equivalent weight of NaOH. Gram equivalent weight of NaOH. Gram equivalent weight of NaOH equal to 40 by 1. That means 40. That means 4 by 40 into 1000 by 100. These are 10 times cancelled. So these are 40. 40 by 40 means 1. That means 1 n normality. 4% W by V means 4 grams of solute to 100 ml of solution. Okay, these are normality. Remaining problems tomorrow. After the normality, remaining molality, mole fraction, formality. So these three completed means constant terms completed. Tomorrow I will give some model problems. So after that, remaining concept. Okay. Thank you, children. Thank you. Okay. Once concentrate all points. Okay. Thank you.